Hi everyone, Dr. Justin Golston here. And in this video, we're going to discuss bridges. So the function of bridges within Web3 is to transfer assets from blockchain to blockchain. So we've discussed how certain blockchains will create use cases for certain assets. So for example, for Polygon is used a lot within the play and earn gaming space, and Phantom is used a lot for financial assets. Avalanche is used a lot for DeFi. So in our case now, we're going to transfer funds from a play and earn game called Pegasus on the Polygon Matic blockchain, and we're going to transfer those funds over to Ethereum. So there are a number of tools out there, a number of bridges that are available, and we're going to touch on 3 of those in this video. Although there are more, we're just going to focus on 3 of those. The first one that we're going to talk about is Abracadabra. So Abracadabra is a protocol. Abracadabra is a tool that was created by Danny Sesta. He is called the godfather of DeFi 2.0. And with Abracadabra.money, what he did was he created a bridge where you could bridge assets from Ethereum. So ETH is Ethereum, from Phantom, from Binance Smart Chain, from Avalanche, or from Matic. So on this website here, I can go to the option that says tools up here, and then there's an option that says bridge. So if I click the bridge option, if I had assets, so let me connect my wallet. So connect my Matic wallet. Once again, my Web3 wallet on MetaMask. You can use Connect Wallet or MetaMask. So in your first exercise, you were to create a MetaMask wallet. So by now you should have a MetaMask wallet with an address. So I have just connected my MetaMask wallet, and you can see my address here. And I am actually on the Matic blockchain, the Polygon Matic blockchain. So once again, I go to tools, I go to bridge, and then if I had MEM, Magic Internet Money, which is one of the tokens, one of the cryptocurrencies that is on both the Matic blockchain as well as the Ethereum blockchain, I could transfer MEM, or Magic Internet Money, over from Matic to Ethereum, or I could transfer it from Avalanche to Ethereum, or any of these other blockchains. So I'll bring up Abracadabra in that it is Abracadabra, and MEM is one of the first tokens that is cross-chain compatible, if you will, and that creates a lot of power for this MEM token in that I can transfer that asset from blockchain to blockchain. So we talked a lot about Ethereum in previous videos, and in order to transfer Ethereum to other blockchains, you have to do what we call wrap it. So we have to wrap Ethereum so that it is compatible with those other blockchains. So for example, if I want to transfer Ethereum to Polygon, or to Ronin, to the Ronin chain, which is used for Axie Infinity, I have to wrap it first, and then I can transfer it to that particular blockchain. So with MEM, I do not have to wrap MEM. I can just transfer MEM from Matic to Ethereum, or Matic to Avalanche. That's what makes that MEM token very powerful. As you can see, the minimum MEM, and again, MEM is a stable coin, so that means that it is pegged against the US dollar, so it will not go far above or below, far above or below $1, and that it is stable, hence why it's called a stable coin. So you can see that the bridge fee is going to be 80 MEM, so essentially $80. So in my case, that's going to be a little expensive, but I wanted to show you this bridge in that this mem token is a very interesting one in that you do not have to wrap that particular token and you can send it from blockchain to blockchain using the bridge on Abracadabra. Another example is the Polygon. So on Polygon Matic, they have their own bridge. And because Polygon is what we refer to as a layer 2 protocol, in that it is built on Ethereum, and it reduces the fees, the gas fees that you would normally see on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so in other videos, we've seen where Ethereum gas fees are somewhat expensive in some cases, but on Polygon, they're a fraction of a cost. In many cases, pennies, you know, for transaction fees. So on Polygon, in order to transfer funds, in this case, I'm going to withdraw cryptocurrency. I'm going to withdraw, in this case, USDT from Polygon, and I'll say max, and I'm going to send it from Polygon to the Ethereum blockchain. And then if I hit transfer, it's going to look at the gas fees, and then it's going to create an estimate based on the current Ethereum gas fees, and it's going to cost me $48 to transfer $1,014 in stablecoin USDT from Polygon over to Ethereum. Okay, that's another example of a bridge. We're going to bridge from Polygon over to Ethereum. Another example is what we refer to as multi-chain. So multi-chain is one of my favorites in that you're going to be able to transfer a variety of different funds from a number of different blockchains. So as we have went through the Etherscan, which is Ethereum's Explorer, blockchain Explorer, multi-chain also has an Explorer where you can actually see the transactions that have been performed from blockchain to blockchain. And in this case, we transferred USDC, which is a stable coin, and someone sent $884.20 from Avalanche, from the Avalanche blockchain to the Phantom blockchain. Okay. In here, on this one, we sent BNB $7.70 from, well, 7.7 BNB, I should say, from the BNB chain, the Binance chain, over to the Avalanche chain. Okay, so this multi-chain is a bridge where we're transferring cryptocurrencies, we're transferring assets from one blockchain to the other. Okay, so I'm going to go on multi-chain here. So multichain.org is where I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to Enter App. That takes me into the multi-chain bridge, the multi-chain application. And here in multi-chain, I'm going to go from Polygon. So I'm going to choose my option here. I'm going to say Polygon mainnet. And as you can see, all of these options here are different blockchains. Okay. So I'm going to go from Polygon, and I'm going to say I'm going to transfer USDT, Tether, and I'm going to say I'm going to transfer Tether over to Ethereum. And once again, I'm going to connect my wallet. Again, Web3 enabled, so all I have to do is connect my wallet. There's going to be no sign-ins. So I give MetaMask the approval to connect my wallet. You always have to, I always want to read these messages. Make that a habit. And then once that gets connected, then you're going to be able to transfer. It's going might take a while for my balance, my USDT balance to show up. So you can see I have 1,014.46 USDT. So I'm going to transfer 1,014 USDT, and I'm going to receive 974 USDT. And that's because there's going to be a cross chain amount of 45 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to get charged $45, 45 USDT. It's a stable coin. So it's $45 essentially to transfer from Polygon to Ethereum. So once all that looks good for me, I hit swap. I'm going to review these details. So that's going to be my from address. It's going to be the to address. The estimated time of arrival is between 3 minutes to 30 minutes. I confirm that. And then it's going to bring up my MetaMask transaction. And then I'm going to get my gas fee. So 0.003 ETH, 0.003 Ethereum. That looks good to me. But also, as I said before, I can actually increase the gas fee so I can speed up that transaction. That's one thing I do. You do not have to do that. I confirm that transaction, and then that transaction will be started. Okay. So you can see that this transaction is pending, and I'm going to pause this presentation, and then once this transaction has been completed, we'll come back. Hi, everyone. We are back. That transaction on multi-chain has been completed. And just as with the blockchain, we always want to, although those transactions will show up in our wallet, we always want to confirm those transactions are on the blockchain, especially with NFTs. Sometimes the transactions may take a while to appear in our wallet. So if it's on the blockchain, sometimes you do not have to worry because if it's written to the blockchain, that transaction is indeed valid. So, and what we sent USDT out of Polygon. So Polyscan is the blockchain explorer for Polygon Matic, and we can see 10 minutes ago, if we click on this transaction, we actually sent out 1,013 Tether USDT. Okay. And then we sent it over to Ethereum. So all blockchains are going to have a blockchain explorer. So just as Polygon has a blockchain explorer that will track the outs, the send from the Polygon blockchain, if I go to Etherscan and Ethereum, I can go down here and I can see 4 minutes ago, I received 973. So that over that $1,000 took the transaction fee, and then I received $973 in USDT. So that is how bridges work. So once again, bridges are where we would transfer assets from one blockchain to another. And in the next video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that USDT. And I'm actually going to contribute to a liquidity pool for a NFT AI project that I have been working with. So until next time.